Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to set up calculation configuration for purchase in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu. Then, go to Party-wise Settings section and click to open Setup Calculation Configuration for Purchase window. Firstly, define the configuration name and save it. Once saved, the configuration will appear in the drop-down list below. Select the required configuration and click on Calculation mode. Here, you can define how calculations should work for this configuration. For example, if the configuration is cash discount after tax, set it so that the cash discount is calculated after tax. To do this, move the cash discount below tax using the Move Down button, and then define the correct positions for Tax 1 and Tax 2. Make sure that if the CD is calculated after tax, the default account for the cash discount is properly defined. Similarly, select the second configuration, such as cash discount before tax, and define the calculation order accordingly by positioning the cash discount before tax. Once all settings are defined as required, save the changes. Moving on to next step, go to menu bar and click to open Allocate Parties to Calculation Configuration window. Select the party account from the list and click on Refresh. Define the purchase configuration for the party one by one by pressing the space key, and then save the changes. Once done, proceed to the purchase entry. Initiate a purchase entry for the supplier to whom the cash discount before tax configuration has been allocated. Click on View Totals, where you can clearly see that the cash discount is applied before tax. Now, click on New Voucher and enter another purchase for the supplier for whom the cash discount after tax configuration has been allocated. Again, click on View Totals and you will be able to see that the cash discount is calculated after tax.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.